Nickname a same thing. Where them get to mankind, Kakafat, where them call me the Great Marble. I know me get forget this name, the Great Marble Shine. Go on at the taxi man and from classic kind of mankind. Get up every day, about them and shine. That's why them call me the Great Marble.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to our channel again.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Alright, so guys, please remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, comment on this video. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Alright.
And so to all of our newbies, thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Yeah.
And if you've not yet hit the subscribe button, as my honey says, hit that subscribe button right now. And for all my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for sticking and staying with us. We appreciate you guys so much. And oh, if it's your first time meeting us, this is Gavin and I am Shauna, and thank you for tuning in again.
Alright.
Anyway, so guys,
we have some questions to ask. So we're going to find some people and ask them those questions.
Yeah. And so today we're in the streets of New Kingston and it's cool and nice. Gav, show them. This is where we are at. And so guys, guess what? Come along with us.
Straight. Alright, well, go on. What they call you?
Ron, they call me.
Ron. Our name. Ricardo.
Celebrity.
Alright. Jawax.
Ready?
Alright, so if Jamaica was not located in the Caribbean but anywhere else in the world, which planet would Jamaica be located on?
In a place in the world. So you're gone from the world now.
Just think about it.
We're gone different, they're gone out of the world now. We're talking about planets. Talking about the world.
Yeah.
The world includes of all them countries there. They're gone out of space now.
Yeah, but if you can come to your mind, which planet you think it would be on? None.
Earth? Idea. I don't have an idea.
Think man, just think about one.
You just give a planet.
Which one?
Must Mars.
Sure, I'm sure.
Jamaica out of this world.
Eh?
Jamaica out of this world. And the universe.
True.
They part of themselves.
Alright.
Well, probably that in America.
Shine, you ready for me drop a 2 questions them for you?
Yeah, mama, they are for it, Madonna.
Alright, ready? Alright, if Jamaica was not located in the Caribbean, right? But anywhere else in the world, which planet would Jamaica be located on?
Jamaica, come again.
Alright, let me go again. If Jamaica was not located in the Caribbean, but anywhere else in the world.
Oh, Africa, made I put it.
Africa?
Yeah.
What make Africa? What make Africa?
No, because it's a dream to go back to the motherland, you know. Yeah. Right, so no, as me, I'm not really a Rastafarian person, but I believe in more in Africa, you see me?
Alright.
I know so everything belongs there and we need to, you know, repatriate and reach back there, as what Marcus really told us.
Straight.
Earth.
That's the question I can answer, you know. Because I don't know where she could have been but the Caribbean.
Which planet?
What planet we have?
9. Them recently find one, make 10, I guess.
Planet?
Yeah.
Like Venus, Earth, Mars.
I call it Jupiter.
Jupiter? So far would I go? Earth, with an Earth,
I heard. Oh, then a planet, that was by planet, you say planet, you know.
Yes.
You can't know about Earth.
Exactly, so you tell me about Jupiter for?
Then the whole world on Earth, innit?
Yeah.
Then them a planet too. Can't go in and see man, them a big foundation up there. We build house.
Where?
I'm up on the moon there. Yeah. So we have one next year on a place.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. Do you have a uterus?
I don't know what's happening.
Do you have a, where's your... show me now. Show me your uterus.
Go read it, go.
Read it. Go show me where you're one day.
I'm past that one.
You pass? Alright?
No. Certainly don't have one of that.
A female carry uterus.
Who carry it?
A female.
Hold on there. No.
Why you say no?
Female alone supposed to have uterus. Yeah, I believe.
Uterus. What you call it? A woman.
I don't know.
I don't know what kind of uterus you have. Boy, you think that? You're my dear, you're gone too far. I know what kind of uterus. I'm not upon that, my hero. I'm done with the question. I'm not answering no more.
Alright, last question.
Put myself, no problem. You see me?
Uterus?
Yeah.
Yes.
Uterus mean what?
One part for some people body.
Some not everybody not have it.
Me no know.
Then you will tell me because I don't know any uterus. Me jack?
Eh?
Me jack ya that?
Uterus. Me ask if you
Which
have a...
part of your body near uterus? Me never hear
But
about.
me ask the question and you ask
Don't
me
mean I
what-
have, I don't know my problem. That's my problem. I don't know part of that.
You don't
Because
know.
1,000 parts of my body when me don't know.
So if you have a uterus, where would it be located?
If me have it,
Yeah.
I couldn't say where because I don't know it.
What a uterus is a female reproductive body part.
Then when you expect me to get that? You tell me. I know so many cards.
How many letters are in the alphabet?
How much letters in alphabet? Much again? Remember enough.
You want to give a lucky guess? I can see if you get it right. See if you can jog your memory, because sometimes my memory, you know.
Letters in the alphabet.
Yeah.
No, 60.
60. No. Alright.
More than that?
Yeah. So there are 20.
26.
26. Them say. Okay.
26.
Okay.
Now 26 them tell me.
Oh.
So how much you say?
Boy, same amount of them tell you to, you know.
Okay, we are educated youth, you know. We don't we do this, we love it, you know. We have a love. for
Yeah,
it,
man,
and-
you can't judge a man.
Yeah.
You have to respect one another. Alright.
26.
About what? 20 how much? About 27? Me not check them good. You want that?
26.
That means
You're
you
close.
say me there near.
Alright. So you remember what are the vowels?
A-E-I-O-U.
A-E-I-O-U.
A-E-I-O-U. Good.
A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. Right?
I never know about why.
Yeah, sometimes why? So I run going then hard. Oh.
A-E-I-O-U. Don't f with me, I won't f with you.
Alright. Alright. Marble sign.
The letters in the vowels, you want?
Yeah.
A-E-I-O-U. The letter.
Me not study
The
that.
vowels are A-E-I-O-U.
Oh.
So you can find either A-E-I-R-O or U in a
When
any.
me say me not gonna use it, you see me.
You don't matter, but you're bright still.
No, sir.
Alright.
Mm.
Me not study.
Alright. You're driving 65 miles per hour.
Miles per hour.
Per hour, yeah.
And
Oh.
60 minutes is in an hour. Yeah. So with it, so 60 times 65.
Right.
5 hours.
That's a good point, guy.
60 minutes. Alright. Right.
Yeah, drive 65 miles per hour. How many minutes would it take you to drive
65 miles. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that take about perhaps 47 minutes.
47. You're not far off, you know. But
Yeah.
think about it again.
53.
Ah, no, man. I remember ask again and you think again. Alright, if you are driving 65 miles per hour, how many minutes will it take you to drive 65 miles?
Alright, so about an hour then, 60 minutes.
You know, so I never drive here. So that part there, it's kind of ridiculous. Me and have a view about that. I mean, I have a license, I not drive.
Yeah man, but think about it. I'm going to ask you still and you think about it again.
So no, come on.
Alright, if you are driving 65 miles per hour, how minutes will it take you to drive 65 miles?
How many minutes? About 5 minutes. 5 minutes time. That's 65. Where's the 65?
Yeah, 65 miles per hour.
Oh, okay.
How long will it take you to drive 65 miles?
Well, that question is kind of sticky, you see me?
Yeah.
But I put it at 10.
10?
Yeah.
Alright, final answer 10. Alright. Alright, actually 60 minutes. Cause
60, okay, yeah.
Because our 60 minutes make 1 hour.
Yeah, true, you're right.
yeah. Alright.
Sister, my turn copy bug. Man,
I run it again.
5 minutes.
I want to hold it for me, that brother.
Remember now you go 65 miles
Mile
per
per
hour.
hour.
So how many
In a
minutes?
1 hour and 60 minutes. 1 hour and 60 minutes, you know.
So what you say?
60 miles, 5 miles, then about 60 minutes over that.
So you get 60
So that's your
minutes.
final answer?
Yeah, because if 1 hour, 60 minutes make an hour. And you say 65 miles per hour, you say.
Yeah.
So that's with about. Why, I don't really going about, I don't know about 70 minutes per hour.
So make you change your answer, 60 minutes more.
But me not done, she said, but you can push me down.
What is me do?
Like you know, say nothing to me after me say that. He say if me correct. Because remember now, something when me study now, I just get me, you know. You understand me, I say, Jacob?
Yeah.
When I look for me like me not right. That's why me have to go change.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Alright. Name a part on your body that begins with A.
A part of my body begins with
Yeah.
this eye.
Yeah, a part on your body that
So
begins
many
with
parts on the
A.
body to bridge,
Yeah. Well, stick about one of them.
You just want one.
Yeah.
Now go say us, you know. Yeah, that's true. Now go
It's
say us.
tempting. It's tempting. The name of part on your body starts with the letter A.
Skip for one.
Alright, you give up.
There's
Alright.
so much parts around my mind and I'm okay.
Your ankle, your arm, your armpit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Armpit, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
Mine, your A no start with arm, A too, you know.
You think of that, but I don't want to say
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
You don't want to say that.
Yeah.
That's it.
So now we,
Yeah, yeah. No, me not.
Two are Jamaican, you know.
Very,
You know, two are Jamaican.
yeah, very,
But with that correct, nobody could, you know, a part of our body.
Yeah, but people would say, why that come to your mind?
yeah.
Yeah.
very, we call it now,
Homophobic.
homophobic.
Yeah. Alright.
And
Anchor.
and
Okay.
You know I name that part there.
Name a part that comes to your mind, man.
That's not appropriate.
Alright.
Alright. You say my uncle.
Alright. You have abdomen, ankle, arm, armpit, any one of them.
what were you thinking?
You look at it? No, I'm not.
You're thinking the anus.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Abdomen, the belly.
Okay. A. Mighty God, the part of my body. Mighty God. A.
Yeah. Name a part of your body that begins with A.
What kind of a part of my body? Like my body parts or anything?
Yeah, your body parts.
Okay. I'm going on social study and media, you know. And what I know, I say, hey.
Yeah.
I know, why, hey. I know, I'm going back to school. Hey.
One part of your body. The stick over your
Well,
body.
I'm on my foot. No, on my foot, no, baby.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. Yo, just give me the last answer then, because I can't take problem now.
Yo.
A.
Yeah, name a part on your body that begins with A.
As in the letter A.
Yeah.
Stand up, I'm gonna look for you. Maybe I see you better. 2 foot on back, belly, neck. Arteries.
I see no part of my body black.
Talk up now, man.
And I see no part of my body start with it.
You not see none?
No, I don't know none.
Think about it.
This a head, H. Finger, H. Fist, F. Foot, F. I don't see back, B. Belly, B. You know, here, H. No, I don't have any. I don't remember none.
Alright, so, may I tell you, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have abdomen, ankle, arm,
Oh, them thing. Oh, yeah.
Armpit.
Remember, say me have them in.
ass. They have ass?
Anus.
Anus. Yeah.
Me don't remember, say me have all them.
Yeah, me wouldn't remember neither.
Alright.
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 Here on your body is the tonsil located.
Tonsils is in your tonsillitis in the neck, right here, on your armpits.
4. In your throat.
Tonsil and throat here.
Throat.
In your throat.
We're on my body, my tonsil is in my throat.
And I'm the throat.
Alright. Spell the word impeachment.
Impeachment. IMPEACHMENT.
Good. Alright.
And
Impeachment.
Yeah. That's hot on the news nowadays.
Yeah, with my guy.
Yeah.
IMPEACHMENT.
Impeachment. IMPEACHMENT.
go again. Go again.
IMPEACHEM.
You done?
MENT. Impeachment. IMPEACIEMENT. Right?
Try again.
IMPEACHMENT.
Alright. I get you now.
Big up yourself.
Alright. Requirement.
Impeachment. IENPEO. No, P. In.
Impeachment.
Impeachment.
Yeah.
In. INPROMEN.
Alright. May I tell you? Alright. I am. Yes, you get the first part, right? IMPEACHMENT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Marble Shine.
Big up yourself, Marble.
You too, respect.
Yeah.
Alright. Impeachment. Impeachment. IMPEACHMENT.
IMPE, IMP, IMPE, M, impeachment. That's MENT, impeach. IMPE, MENT. I don't know if so.
That's an impediment.
Then what, where is the letter?
IMPEACH. MENT.
Peach. Oh, IMPEACH,
Yeah.
I might not word that like a becoming now. Company so sudden.
Yeah.
Too suddenly.
Alright. Where is your testicles located?
Not a carrot testicles.
Right between my two legs. And my badge underneath.
Yo.
You know, Jaco. You want me to say? What you want me to say? Do you have fine?
So hey guys, thank you again for
Journey with us.
yeah. So we hope that you find this video fun. So remember to like it.
Yeah.
Press the like button, hit that like button,
Subscribe.
and again hit that subscribe button.
Oh, baby, one more thing. And guys, if you're in Kingston and you're going to the New Kingston area near Emancipation Park, you want your car to wash, check out Marble
Shine.
Shine.
Yeah, Marble
Yeah.
Shine.
So big up yourself, Marble Shine.
So guys, we had fun doing this video. So thank you again.
Yeah.
And remember to make
Guys,
every day an adventure.
Bye.
Little more.